What's going on, guys? It's me again, and today we're going to be doing another thing to this car that I've been wanting to do for months on end now. If it wasn't for the wheels, this would have been on the car. So in the last video, if you guys saw, I did hint near the end of the video one of the things I've been wanting to do to this car for the backside, and a lot of you guys in the comments actually guessed it, and you don't even have to be a genius to be honest to know the next thing was going to come for this car. So what we're going to be doing is updating the rear of this car with some new taillights, at least for me. So the OEM ones do the job right. I honestly think these updated tails for the GS300 are one of the cleanest designs ever for this car, and that's why I never really was so pressed to get an aftermarket one or anything like that. But the only thing that kind of bothers me is the amber. So with everything else on the car, it looks nice, but the amber, I just want to give it more of a refreshed look. So I'll show you guys what I got here. Alright guys, so here are the taillights right here. As you can see, this is a different design. If you know a lot of GS300 aftermarket taillights, a lot of people just mainly run the ones that look similar to the OEM ones, but it just has a clear strip like on this one. But they don't have the two circles right here that I really wanted, and they were hard to find for me, but I finally found some that can really go well with the rear. And the reason why I went with this style of design is because it really fits with the front of the car, because, you know, two separate headlights, so the rear, I guess it kind of mimics it, you know. So I think these are going to look really good. Can't wait to see how they look. I'm going to show you guys the middle pair of what I got. So this right here, usually this would actually come with the set, but I had a concept in mind. How would this look on here with the middle? At least this part on there. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to actually get it wired correctly or hooked up correctly. Hopefully it's like plug and play. It seems like it. Well, I don't know. We'll just see how it goes. We'll just hope for the best. If I don't like it, because I can already tell it might look a little bit too weird for me, I might just put back in the OEM ones and probably try to find some LED ones for the middle. But I just wanted to go with something different for the middle, so I'll see how this goes, see how it fits. Let's get. Alright, so we're going to start by opening the trunk here. OEM Lexus key. I always love these keys, by the way. We're going to open the trunk first here. So all you would really need to do is have a pry tool, or if you have some really strong nails, get these pieces out, and just a 10 mil. That's all you need, is a 10 millimeter socket and, you know, like just some sort of pry tool, or like I said, strong nails or something. So I don't think you have to really do this, but I took out, I think these are 13 or 15 like clips that go to here, but I took the shield out just so it's easier to get to the middle. But if you want to get to this part here, it is super simple. Let me show you guys. So I'm going to start off on the right side so I can do a bit of a comparison from stock or OEM old to refresh new. The new ones I'm going to put on here first. So took out two ones from here, the two 10 mils. What you want to do is you want to come back to here. You can pull this back, and there's just two more 10 mils back here. Oh, it seems like I actually lost the bolt for this one. It seems like it just fell out, but that's fine. I can just get a new one. But yeah, you just want to unscrew these two 10 mils here, and the headlight should pop out, but you don't want to rip it out. You just want to unplug some of the connections here before you actually, like, you know, mess up your tail light by just like ripping it out. All right, so upon actually taking off this tail light here, I actually found the other little screw or bolt, whatever you want to call this, that actually secures the rear. So when you take this out carefully, I already untwisted one of the bolts here. You just need to untwist it. So you untwist 1, 2, 3, 4. So this would be, I'm guessing, like brake lights or daytime running. I guess when you have like your lights on or something. The middle, I guess that's what that function is for again. And this I know for a fact is for the reverse, because I did the LEDs on there, or like an updated LED, so it's a bit brighter when I back up. And this one is just for the hazards and your turn signal. So once you unscrew all that together, the taillight should come out with ease. Yeah, this thing has seen a lot of good days. I plan on keeping these though, because I mean, These are just beautiful. OEM Lexus taillights. These ones are possibly my favorite. Yeah, you got that. And you got the new one. Even though this is the left one, I'm gonna put in the right one. So, yeah. Already a good difference. Alright guys, so while I was about to take the headlight in, and I should be wearing gloves while I actually do this, but I can just clean it off after. I actually realized this is cool because this already comes with LEDs. So what I'm gonna do is, because I noticed this connector and it goes to here, I'm gonna unplug this one and I'm just gonna take these out in some kind of way or just put them to the side. I don't know how it's gonna work, but we'll see. And I'm just gonna wire this one in. Well, it's not really wired, I'm just gonna, it's like plug and play, like look at that. So I'll just put it right in and just like see how it's gonna look after that. Alright guys, so I got the taillight in here. I don't have it in all the way completely because I just want to see how it's gonna look as of now. So once it actually looks good, I'm probably gonna clean up the back, like the inside of it, and then I'll just like bolt it up and just see how it looks from there. But I'm gonna go right now, start up the car, see how it looks in here. Turn on all the lights here, and let's see. That one's on. That's my Bluetooth. See that? It's going. Beautiful. Now for the middle, I always thought it was a bit tricky, but it really isn't. All you got to do is just take out this bulb, so it's untwisting it. Just untwist that, and there's two 10 mils here. So I'm gonna get to doing that now. All right, so I guess because of how old this thing has been in here for, I don't even think this has ever been taken out of this car before. It was kind of hard to actually get it out. So I just took the top of my flathead screwdriver and I just push it up against this part here, and it's now starting to come out. And plus there's that gasket. But yeah, you can see the gasket. It's the first time I've actually taken this out, and it's like very compact. I mean, just like how it is on the trunk. It's kind of funny looking actually. But it's cool. I think these are the original ones actually, so I mean it says Toyota. So I think like 20 years this shit has been in here for. I was about to get a whole makeover. So like I said, I don't know if this is gonna work, guys. If it doesn't work, it's not the end of the world, because the main part was literally just those taillights. I'm literally fine with the OEM ones, but I would probably want to make them a little more updated. But this was just the idea I had in mind, because I mean, I don't think anybody's really done it like this. But we're gonna see how it goes, as I always say. So you're gonna see me in the next clip when I put this on. I'm not gonna completely put it in because these wires are getting in the way, as you can see. So all I did was unplug that bulb there. So I'm gonna connect this part here, and I'm gonna turn on the car, and we're gonna see if this lights up, hopefully. And if it does, I'm going to be so excited. All right, let's see how it did. Let's see how it did. Oh boy, you see that? I don't want it to fall out though, but wow. Yeah, that looks nice, man. Ooh, okay, we're gonna keep it there. It's probably a funny moment. All right, let's see if the universe is on my side here. Okay, I'll be honest with everybody watching right now. This kind of looks a bit ricey. That black part right there, like just the outer part, I wish it was clear and a little bit brighter, but this is like a supreme before and after shot here. So all I really needed to do was connect that part. So thank God I don't need all the other like boxes and stuff that came with it, like some connections or something. But yeah, this is looking pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie with you guys. This came out better than I expected, and it's not even in all the way. Look at that. All right, so next clip you'll see is, well, if you just skip ahead, you'll see already. I'm gonna just do the other side without even recording, and we'll see how it looks entirely with the whole LED swap. So I'm gonna put that fitting in there, and I'm gonna get to doing that side, and I'll see you guys then. so I pretty much got everything looking pretty much like spotless, like off the assembly line type spotless nearly. I'm surprised how good of a job I did. All those years of build up and grime from inside the taillights, both of them here. You can literally just see on camera how fresh it looks. So I'm gonna put the taillights back in. I know I probably did it backwards, but since I got this cleaned up, I'm gonna put the taillights back in, but I'm gonna do a comparison. So I'll do the one side with the regular taillight in, and I'll do the other side, only talking about the trunk by the way, the other side with the LED. So I'll show you guys how that looks. But from here, it actually looks nice without taillights. It kind of reminds you of clears, but I wasn't trying to go for that. Well, they are on there, so I can already see that this side fits more than that side, but I also like that side more because of the LED. But they both look good, regardless of, you know, I guess design. But it's kind of a hard choice for me, because I like the red, but I do like the uniqueness of the black. But even if it were to be a clear housing still, but I couldn't find one, I don't think I would have really liked it anyway. So I don't know. I might try with the black LED, but I also might try with the red. I don't know. Because I could be different, dare to be different with that, but I don't know if I want to try that. They both look good though. Like, they really do. I just think the red fits it more. It's like more aligned with the taillight because they're both the same color. Okay, so I think I'll just go with the black for now. I'll run it for probably a few days, if not more. I might actually like it as time goes on. But standing right here, from what you guys can see, or what you can see from the camera, I think the left side looks better, but with both lights on, the LED, how it shines, I think the left is where it really shines, or not the left, the right. So I'm gonna put the aftermarket one in there, and I'm gonna see you guys at a new location. So let's get it. I've driven around with it for a few hours. I gotten out of the car whenever I would go to the store, when I'm at home, when I would walk up to the car like I'm doing right now. I've gotten used to the rear, and what I said before, saying that I don't really like the middle, I actually do like the middle now. I think if I just were to find a clear housing for it, I think it would fit a whole lot better. But I think it was just me having to get used to it, because the outer taillights are fine. Those were like the ones I've always wanted for this car. But the middle ones, I just wanted to try something different. I guess dare to be different. And I think as time goes on, I'll like it. Yeah, I'm not sure if this car has like some sort of power or something. I'm joking, by the way, but I don't know if it has some sort of power. But I'm starting to look at it from like each and every single angle now. I'm bringing you with me at, and I'm liking it more and more. I don't know what was with my mind not liking it before, but I don't even think I want to go back to the red, even with the LED, like LED red strip in the middle. I actually like how it looks right now. I kind of completed the rear side of this car. The lip could be better, as I've always said when I installed it. I wish it was like covered up right there, but I can just get one that can be like a little bit more flush. But these lights are everything. I wanted to get rid of the amber, and it wasn't the biggest deal to me, but I really like it. I really like how this style is. Not everybody really has this style for a GS, for the taillights, as far as I've seen. And as soon as I saw it, I knew the reason why I liked it is because it matches with the front headlights. With all that being said, thank you for watching another video of mine, or if this is your first time watching my video, I appreciate it. Even if you didn't watch through the whole entire thing, still appreciate it. Each and every single video, I'm getting closer and closer to building this car the way I want it to. The taillights were a really big thing for this car, at least for me, but I say that in every single thing when it comes to these videos, like the lights, the wheels, the exhaust, like you name it. Every single video I already make, I always keep saying that, oh, it's something I've always wanted to do, because I mean, it's something I've always wanted to do to the car. Now, in about a week from now, if not, I'd say a week and a half, will mark a full year of me having this car. So stay tuned for that video. I have a lot planned for that video, at least for just adding up how much I basically spent building this car, as it being my first car since I was 19 last year. So yeah, that should be fun. This will be the first time I've actually counted that up. So yeah, we're gonna see how much money I've wasted putting into a rear-wheel drive Camry, a rear-wheel drive Avalon, or now I'm just playing, but yeah, we'll see how much money I've spent on this car. But with that being said, guys, thank you for watching, and until next time, take it easy.